This is Ben Schwarz with another preview of the 8K monitor. It's issue number 60 already for June the 14th. Our lead story this week is a follow-up from Bob Rakes on a piece he did on very large screen TVs in our consumer-facing publication Discover 8K. He reports on the latest advances in the very large screen, which is 100+ inch screens from the ISE and Display Week shows. Of course, these screens are still aimed at professional or commercial digital signage applications, or very high net worth individuals, with prices as jaw-dropping as the displays themselves at over $100,000. Bob reports, however, on some cheaper displays that expected at just $25,000. Of course, Display Week and ISE are not places you go to see finished products. Bob likes the description as the places the people who make the TV sets go to get the ideas for what's coming next. Bob Rakes also wrote our second Byland piece this week. In it, he asks if the 8K interfaces inside displays are due for a change. It's one of our more technical pieces where Bob addresses the question of the challenges inside the TV that are rising in line with the increased resolution. Bob looks into solutions that will enable the screen to be refreshed at 8K at up to 244 times per second. So, if you want to know whether 8K is truly changing the inner workings of TVs, read the article. Enjoy this week's issue. This was Ben Schwarz for the 60th edition of the 8K monitor. See you next time.